All right, this is going to be a cabin tour 7420 on the Carnival Valor. Interior room, deck 7. All right, so as you enter, this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to turn around and go back to the hallway here in a second. But it's interior room, and as far as interior rooms go, it is pretty spacious. You have plenty enough room to walk around on both sides of the bed. We have them pushed together, obviously. But so on this side, you have a little table, countertop, refrigerator underneath. You've got cabinet number 1. It's a little dark, but you get the picture. Lots of shelves. 1, 2, 3 shelves plus the bottom 4. Cabinet number 2. Hanging life jackets. A little narrow shelf on the bottom for your shoes. And cabinet number 3, which is even bigger than 1 and 2. This is only a 4-day cruise, people, so we didn't bring that much clothes. Alright, next up, bathroom. Jamie's hiding behind the door.
I'm not hiding.
It doesn't come with a magic door that automatically opens when you say bathroom. It is the standard Carnival bathroom that every Carnival ship has had and currently has that I've been on. But if you haven't seen one, 3 shelves on either side of the sink, toilet, shower with shower curtain. Does not have glass doors like the newer ship. Mardi Gras. Yeah, so that is your standard Carnival bathroom. Oh, and let me just tell you, as you're sitting here, if you're a guy, and as you stand here and go pee, you get to look at George Washington right in the face watching you. I thought it's a little creepy, but yeah, because he's right above the bathroom. So as you stand there, you're standing face to face with George Washington while you pee. Just saying. Not sure who designed that, or why it's old George Washington, but anyway. So other side of the cabin, got flat screen TV. Looks to be about a 21-inch. It's not bad. It's decent size. You've got your safe. Oh, and let me show you something. If you haven't been on an old cruise ship, I hadn't seen one of these in ages, but you actually got to have a credit card to slide in there. You can't use your sail and sign card. You have to use something like a credit card. And you slide it through and it locks, you slide it and it unlocks. No keypad. 4 drawers right here. Hair dryer. 1, 2, 3 more drawers. Little bench, trash can. Phone. Another getting ready area. And yes, this cabin has but one 110 United States plug, and it also has a 220 European plug. But only one 110 plug in the cabin. So we have power solutions. We've got this little block. You can plug 3 things in. I've got my 6-port USB hub that I can charge 6 things USB with. So if you're going to cruise, that's definitely the thing to have. Also, both nightstands. There's no power solution over here, but it does have lights, and you do have this little cubby over here for storage. So tons of storage. The bed's high enough that you can put the suitcases underneath it. That's what we did. And so yeah, there you go. And this is interior cabin deck 7.